In this segment, we're going to talk about installing a based infant seat.
And you can see baby Kaylin is sitting at a very good angle right here, and she's not trying to list forward. We see often seats coming in like this where the baby's sitting at almost a 90-degree angle and their heads are flopping forward like this. And parents come in holding their heads back, trying to figure out why they can't get the seat in right.
Now, if the seat you're using doesn't have an adjustable foot or the foot is not enough, again, you must check the vehicle manufacturer's and the car seat manufacturer's instructions. Some of them will refer to using a tightly wound towel under the foot of the base here. You can use a towel like that, or you can use a pool noodle like this, and there's several varieties. There's the thin noodle. This is a noodle with a jacket, makes it a little thicker. And what you would do is you would put that under the foot, in this case, adjust it so you get your proper angle, and then restrain it with the seat belt. If you use a noodle though, what happens over time, this was a round noodle like the other one. As you can see now, it's flattened out. What happens over time is they compress, and you have to check your base to make sure it's remaining tight. You may have to retighten it. We'll go into that in another segment.